let's continue. Now let's start the second topic, solar products. It includes 4 parts: solar family, solar drives, BLDC system, IoT technology, and I will share the product roadmap as well. In the first part, I'd like to talk about solar pumping system, solar drives, and solar accessories. It is a typical application of the solar pumping system, consisting of an intelligent IoT system, so-called Remote Management System, RMS. Solar array, the initial power unit. Control system, called Brown unit. Solar pump, executive equipment, and different kinds of applications, such as fruit tree irrigation, grains irrigation, animal husbandry. There is a small video to show how the system works. In order to make it easy to understand, here is the energy flow chart sharing with you. The solar array will convert the sunlight to DC power and send it to the solar drive. Then the drive will transform it to AC power for driving pumps. At last, pumping water for different kinds of applications. Next, sharing some knowledge of various kinds of solar drives. Generally consisting of high protection level drives, common level drives, single board IP00, SS30 and SIV series products are mostly for the government projects, which requires IP65 and IP55 solution. And SI21, SI22, SI23 are usually used in installing in a cabinet. The last PCB of solution is especially for the customer who need local assembling. The power rating is from 2.2 kW. Maximum 11 kW. Actually, VEICHI also provides solar accessories such as keyboard, IoT, filters, and pumps. For the keyboard, we are available to provide single line and double line LED keyboard, and also available to provide LCD keyboard. For IoT, APP platform, 4G or 2G devices are available. For the filters, we can provide output filters, sine wave filters. For the solar pumps, we are available to provide 3 kinds of solar pumps: screw pumps, plastic impeller pumps, stainless steel impeller pumps. Additionally, if some friends or partners are not available to get solar accessories in locally, such as solar panels, mounting structures, cables, and flow switch, water level sensor, and so on, we are glad to provide necessary help. Now let's talk about solar drives. The major solar pumps drive SI21, SI23, SI20, SI30 will be introduced in this part. SI21 solar drives. Main feature is mini and economic. 30% to 40% size reducing compared to the common drives at the same power rating. Adopting the latest software platform and available to drive permanent magnet synchronous motor, synchronous reluctance motor. Surely, normal AC induction motor and single-phase motor are included as well. Various kinds of specific functions for solar pumps are supported. Dormancy, dry run, low frequency, water fulfilled, output power limitation, pump cleaning, constant pressure control. Here, it is a table for SI21 analysis. D1 type suits to drive AC 110 motor and pumps. Maximum power rating is 1.5 kilowatt. D3 is suitable for driving AC 220 motor and pumps. At present, maximum power rating is 2.2 kilowatt and will be extended to 4 kilowatt or above. D5 type is mostly for driving AC 380 motor and pump. Maximum DC input is 800 and available to support 900 customization. The power rating is up to 22 kilowatt. Okay, let's continue. SI22 drive. The highlight of SI22 drive is very small but powerful. In order to make it simple, we provide only one model covering 0.75 kilowatt to 2.2 kilowatt, especially for AC 110 and AC 220 motor pumps. Surely, each can accept DC solar power only, and voltage range is from 60 to 450. Here it is also a short video for showing what SI22 looks like. Si-23 solar drive. Si-23 series products, I think our friends and partners are very familiar with. It is the most popular and hot-selling drives all over the world, at least selling 40,000 ounces annually. It uses a high-speed 32-bit high-performance TI MCU to develop the most advanced software platform. And we are also planning to deploy this powerful software on Chinese brand MCU due to their short supply of Infinity and TI MCU. It supports AC-DC hybrid solution for solar pumping application, and also available to drive PMSM, a synchronous reluctance model, AC induction model, single-phase model. Consisting of 4 types: D1 for AC 110 motor pumps, D3 for AC 220 motor pumps, D5 for AC 380, and T3 for bigger power rating drives from 37 kW to 710 kW. VEICHI is also available to support customized requirements such as 900 and more than 710 kW drive. Also, there is a small video to show Si-23 features. Si-30 solar drive. High protection level IP65 drive. It adopts modular design and supports AC-DC or switching function. TUV and CE certificates are available. Si-30 can support D1, D3, D5 type. D1 type is for AC 110 motor pumps. Maximum power rating is 1.5 kW. D3 for AC 220. D5 is for AC 380. Maximum is 11 kW. Let's watch a small video for showing Si-30 solutions. Next, let's talk about the new arrival BLDC solar pumping system. It is widely used for small power rating application, maximum 1.5 kilowatt. The biggest advantage is low system cost, which is available to provide the BLDC solar pumps plus controller plus accessories, this kind of package solution, aiming to support the end user like farmers the best quality and high cost effective solution. Now let's explain the model, how to select it. Consisting of 5 positions. The first SI stands for the renewable energy products. The second position, the first letter 3 stands the size of the pump body, 3 inch. The next letter V stands for VEICHI. The third letter, it could be SGP. S means stainless steel impeller pumps. G stands for screw pumps. P stands for the plastic impeller pump. The last letter stands for the maximum flow. 4 means maximum flow is 4 cubic meter per hour. The third position stands for the maximum lifting height. 50 means the maximum height is approaching 50 meters. The fourth position stands for the rated voltage of motor, 48. The last one is standing for the power rating of the solar pumping system. 400 means 400 watt, so maximum is 1,500 watt. The most important feature of solar pump controller is cost saving, IP55, built-in MPPT function, and high reliability. The voltage is DC 12, 24, 36, 48, 72, 1110. And usually we recommend 24, 48, 72, 1110 these types. Here is a table from comparison of 3 kinds of pumps, including screw pumps, plastic impeller pumps, stainless steel impeller pumps. Screw pumps are generally used in their application, which needs small water flow but high lifting height, like water supply for home use in rural village. The power rating is from 80 watt to 1,100 watt, with the maximum water flow is 2.2 cubic meter per hour. Plastic impeller pumps are usually working in the relatively clean water application. Both 3 and 4 inch are available, and power rating is from 200 watt to 1,500 watt. Stainless steel impeller pumps are widely used in clean water, seawater, and normal acidic alkaline water conditions. The maximum flow is reaching 40 cubic meter per hour, and lifting height is up to 203 meters. Let's see a card video. For Okay. Let's go to the IoT. In this part, I will share the completed IoT solution. This is the home page of next generation IoT, consisting of web, apps, devices. Regarding web, providing different UI solutions for different industries and accept customized requirements such as branding and language, even independent server deployment. Till now, we are ready to provide basically Chinese, English, and Spanish, Turkish language system, and planning to provide more languages such as Arabic, French, Russian, Thai, Vietnamese, and so on. Each has 4 main features. In remote control, it provides solutions for customers to start and stop the drive remotely and modify the parameters as well. Also providing 2 kinds of data storage solutions: online data storage in server and offline data storage in local memory chip. Empowering big data technology, IoT system can collect the basic information like temperature, humidity, pH value of soil, and calculating the irrigation water demand, fertilizer demand, daily and weekly, according to crops growth cycle. Then, to achieve simply smart agricultural irrigation and fertilizer. Wi-Fi communication especially for debugging for the engineers, and providing another channel to get access to internet by Wi-Fi router. Global positioning system and real-time monitoring are supported as well. The advantage of our IoT system is combine traditional water pumping with digital and intelligent technology, and greatly reduce labor cost and service cost. Eventually, okay, thanks for listening. Next, Mr. Jason will share the solar drive features